Smile. One more time. Nice smile. Jessie, are you ready to do unboxing? Are you ready? Are you ready for an unboxing? Hmm? Jessie, say hi. Hello. This is from Aunty Nui. Want to see what's inside? You ready? Yeah. Wow. It says life begins with colors. Wow. This is what it says hello. Okay, you want this? Wow, look. So nice. So let's open it up. Oops, I tried to open it nicely. I can't. What is it? What is it? Here we got it. We got it. Jessie is here. Jessie is here. You want to open it up? Jessie, look. Do you like it? Thank you. Say thank you. Thank you, Aunty Nui. Thank you. Kiss, kiss. Smile, 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 Aunty Nui. Smile. Smile. One more time. Nice smile. Here you go. Oh, and there's a cup and some utensils. Jessie, look, there's a fork and spoon for you. Wow. Can you say wow? Huh? Do you want this? Say wow, wow. Wow, wow. How do you do wow? Wow. Wow. No? No wow. And there's a cup. Jessie, cup. You say thank you. How do you say thank you? Okay. Say thank you and bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Jessie's gonna eat now. Say bye-bye. Come on. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, no, smile. Bye-bye. Smile. Bye. Say bye-bye. Jessie, smile. Hey, smile.